I have a problem.
That's never a good way to start a conversation.
Every time I enter a village, everyone starts screaming. Rude.
Have you considered not carrying a giant flaming demon sword?
Stealth is hard when your sword glows like a small sun. Can we make it disappear until I need it?
So today we're learning how to summon and desummon a weapon. In many games, you'll see objects slowly disappear, enemies turn into ash, magic berries vanish, treasure chests materialize, ghosts fade away. All of these effects are variation of something called a dissolve shader.
What is a dissolve?
The object isn't actually breaking apart. The shader simply decides which pixels should still be visible. Remember the simple noise node from the previous lesson? Today we're going to use it in a completely different way. Create a simple noise. Create a float property and call it dissolve scale. Connect it to the scale input.
Last lesson this became lava. What's it becoming today?
A destruction map. Create another float property. Name it dissolve amount. Set it to range 0 to 1. This property controls how much of the object disappears. Okay, now if you see the fragment there is nothing to accept the alpha. So open the Graph Inspector. Under Surface Options, change surface type from opaque to transparent. Notice that alpha input now appears in the fragment session. If you also enable a low alpha clipping, you'll see an additional alpha clip threshold input. The alpha input controls how visible each pixel is. The alpha clip threshold decides at which point a pixel should be completely discarded. First, connect the output of the simple noise node to the alpha input in the fragment session.
Nothing happened. Did we break it?
Not yet. That's because we haven't told the shader which alpha value should be discarded. Now connect the dissolve amount property to alpha clip threshold input. Save the graph. Go back to your material, change dissolve scale, move the dissolve amount a slider.
There it is! The sword is disappearing! It's working!
Right now it is controlled by a slider. It can also be controlled with animation, C# code, or timeline. Okay, next lesson.
Let me guess. Next lesson, we'll make the weapon look even more ridiculous.
We'll see.